time for Yunho and Yosang's reaction. Oh my god, I'm not ready for this. And I haven't seen any spoiler for Yunho, but oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, it's not, the hair is not tied. I'm still sane on that portion, but oh my god, look at the proportions, man. Damn, why is he wide? What is this? Wow. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I love him. Oh my god. Ah. I love you, long hair Wonjo. I can't even think. I love long hair Yunho. Mm, you know. It's so pretty. Oh my god. Ah! That's the way he stares at you at the VR concert and you'll lose your mind. Oh my god, his hands are so pretty though. Even blurred, it's so pretty. Okay. Oh my god, I love you. Oh my god, his hands are so happy. Okay, last we have your song for today. It's a good thing that we only have 4 per batch. I don't know how I will survive tomorrow. And we have your song. Ah! Oh my god, it looks like ice on my teeth. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kind of looks like Taemin in that angle though. Oh my god. Oh my god. I actually love the length of this. Actually loved his hair length during this time. Suits the blonde more. Oh my god, he's wearing gloves. First, when is this the concept in the Digipack? It's a good thing I bought Out 8 for the Digipack. Oh my god. Oh my god. This really looks like he's gonna sing ice on my teeth, bro. So handsome. Oh my god, I need to finish this. Man, that looks so good. It looks so good. Love this. Good job. Good job to whoever styled them. Like, they're just in a suit, but they're good shit.